Ready to ditch your low-interest savings account for something that actually earns? We've all seen the aggressive promotions, high APY, low minimum deposit, and a name you might not recognize, all offered through a platform like SaveBetter, now called Raisin. Today, we're asking the question, is opening a Patriot Bank account via SaveBetter, often with just a $1 minimum, actually worth it? Let's break down the pros and cons to see if this high-yield savings play is right for your money. What's the deal? First, let's establish the context. Patriot Bank is a traditional bank, but the competitive offers you see online, like their high-yield savings or money market accounts, are usually offered exclusively through the Raisin platform. Raisin acts like a digital marketplace for savings products, connecting you with federally insured banks and credit unions across the country that offer some of the best rates. And yes, the $1 minimum opening deposit is real for some of Patriot Bank's products on the platform. This is a huge plus because it removes the common barrier of needing a large initial deposit to access top-tier rates. The Patriot Bank / SaveBetter, Raisin, perks. So, why go this route? High APY, the primary draw is the competitive annual percentage yield. Patriot Bank's rates offered through Raisin are typically significantly higher than the national average and often compete with the best online-only banks. This means your money is working harder. Low barrier to entry, that $1 minimum is fantastic for new savers or those who just want to test the waters with a small amount before committing larger funds. FDIC insurance, this is crucial. Since Patriot Bank is a member of the FDIC, your deposits are insured up to the standard limit of $250,000. Raisin itself doesn't hold your money, it's held by the bank, making it secure. No Raisin fees, the platform is free for you to use. Raisin gets paid by the partner banks to bring them deposits, which means you pay zero fees to open or maintain an account through the marketplace. The trade-offs to consider. It's not perfect, and there are a few drawbacks you need to be aware of. Limited accessibility, these accounts are often more for saving than for spending. You typically won't get an ATM card, check writing privileges, or a mobile app from Patriot Bank for these specific accounts. All deposits and withdrawals are usually handled through ACH transfers to a linked external bank account, which can take 1 to 3 business days. If you need instant access to emergency funds, this delay could be a problem. Customer service, while Patriot Bank has its own customer service, your main point of contact for deposits, withdrawals, and account management will be the Raisin platform support. You're managing the account through Raisin, so that's who you call first. Rate shopping, while Patriot Bank's rates are great, they are variable and can change. The Raisin platform is all about flexibility, so you might find yourself checking other offers on their marketplace regularly to ensure you're always getting the best rate. It's a perk, but it does require more attention. The verdict. So, is it worth it? Absolutely, if your goal is pure, high-interest savings and you don't need instant access. If you're looking for an account to park your emergency fund, a down payment, or a large sum of cash where the money just needs to grow safely without being touched frequently, Patriot Bank via SaveBetter, Raisin, is an excellent option. The combination of a high APY, FDIC insurance, zero platform fees, and a practically non-existent opening minimum deposit makes it a powerful tool for serious savers. However, if you need